Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to create this makeup look, and we are not using any of the tools for blending or for eye makeup or for anything. Okay, so just go and watch this video. And since very long I was not making videos because of some personal reasons, so now I am back for you all. So guys, please keep supporting me and keep loving my videos and keep sharing them. And also I will provide the link of every product I have used to create this makeup look, so go and check the description box if you want to buy the products I have used. So go and have a look of a video.
Okay, so very first I have taken rose water as a face toner, so you can also go for it and let it get dry first, then apply your next product, which will be your face serum. So I am using a face serum from Herbal Tree. If you're having any other face serum, a separate one, so you can definitely go for that as well. Even you can use a vitamin E kind of face serums which are coming, so you can definitely go for that also. Just apply it on your neck and near your ears as well. Just massage your face with it for a minute, then switch to the next product. Your next product will be a moisturizing cream. So now I am using a Nivea Soft Vitamin E moisturizing cream. I don't like to use different moisturizing creams, so I am using Nivea Soft since very long. So if you want, you can also go for it, or either which you are using, continue with that. So here we will not use any base product directly. I will use a concealer because it's a full wear concealer from L'Oreal Paris, so you can definitely go for it. It's a waterproof and a very good concealer, you can say a good coverage it's having. So I will apply it wherever I am having a problem. No, I have applied it in my whole face, so you can also try this. And for the blending part, I'm not using any beauty blender or brush because it gets blends very nicely with your hands, and use your fingers in the inner corners of your eyes and wherever you want it's needed. So just blend it with hands, because everyone is using a beauty blender to blend it, but it gets very nicely blend with your hand. So just try this trick, it will definitely work with you also. So you can see how you have to blend it. You don't have to just rub it, but you have to dab it on your face, and just rub it with the very light hands. Okay, don't like press it more. Okay, you can see the finish. Now to set my concealer, I have taken a loose powder, translucent powder you can say, from Yardley. It's a normal powder which we use at home. So just fix my concealer. I am using it. Take little more for your eyelids because these are more important, otherwise it will give crease after some time. That will look so patchy. Okay, so with very light hands you have to do this part as well. You have to press it on your face to your concealer to get set. Now I have taken a Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette. It's a very good eyeshadow palette in a affordable price. So I have taken a bluish shade from it, and you can see the pigmentation of it is very amazing. So you can definitely buy this if you want a good eyeshadow palette. So here today we will not use any tool, so I am using my finger to do my eyeshadow and applying it on my eyelid. This much is sufficient, I think. So now I have taken a Lakme eyeliner. It's a very good eyeliner, liquid eyeliner it is. From the very middle I will start and extend it to the outer end of my eye. Then I will join it to the inner corner of my eye. So it's a very easy trick to apply eyeliner. Now I have taken a kajal, it's from Ellie 18, to apply it in my upper waterline. Now I have taken a mascara from Sugar Cosmetics. It gives a very good length to your eyelashes, but it doesn't give a volume because it's a mini mascara from Sugar Cosmetics, so maybe it's a drawback of their mini mascara, that it gives a very good length but it doesn't give a volume to your eyelashes. Okay, so moisturizing my lips, I have taken a lip balm from Vaseline. Oh sorry, that was Nivea. For my eyebrows, I have taken my old dry mascara stick. So you can see the results are very good, so you can definitely try this hack. You don't have to do much for your eyebrows because I like natural eyebrows. So for the blushing part, take any red lipstick and just blend it with your hands in the direction, upward direction you have to do it. Just mix it up with the base product very nicely. Just rub it for a minute, then it will get automatically settled with that. You can see. Okay, so this is done now. Now I have taken a maroonish kind of brown maroon kind of shade of a lipstick. To make your look, so you can apply it there to make your looks plumpy if you want. Okay, so lipstick is done here. Now again I have taken a loose powder to fix my lipstick to make it look matte, because that was so shiny and chunky kind of, so I am applying a powder to make it look matte. Okay, so it's good now. Now I have taken a highlighter from Mars Cosmetic, and the packaging and the box of this one is just amazing. I just love this product from Mars. So with this I am highlighting my nose, my cheeks, my chin, my upper lips part, my forehead and my eyebrows also, near my eyebrows and my inner corner of my eyes as well. With my little finger I will do this because we are not using any tool today, because mostly people will not have all kind of brushes and everything, so you can do all your makeup with your hands as I have did today. I didn't even use any brush for blending or for my blush part as well. So you can also try this makeup look. You can see I have used my little finger. Now I have to highlight my neck bones also, because I have wear this kind of top. It's a kind of off shoulder, so I have to do that also. Okay, so this is the final look with a choker and the round earrings. So tell me in the comment section if you like the look, and please try this look with your hands and your fingertips. Okay, so bye guys, take care, thanks for watching.